What's up YouTube, it's Hackyouridevice here, and today I thought I'd just make a video showing you how to get custom keyboards. Now, I haven't managed to do this for like 2 years. The last time I had a custom keyboard, I think I was running like firmware 2.2.1, and now I'm on 4.2.1, so I thought I'd just make a video updating you guys and showing you how to get it. Right, so as you can see, I'm using a BlackBerry Storm keyboard, and when you press on it goes blue. Alright, so in order to get this you want to have a couple sources added. I will have them in an annotation up there above my finger. Okay, so what you want to do is, once you've added these sources, so repo.insanelyeye.com and mk321024, so once you've added those two, first of all you want to go on repo.insanelyeye, you want to go to I, and you want to download iAccess for China. Do not get the English one as it does not support 4.2.1, but i4Access China does. So once you've installed that, you want to go to wherever you've saved it. So for me it'd be in this folder. There's going to come up with an icon there called iAccess. And when you first open it up, you're going to be greeted with an option. So you just want to press the button because it just means OK. And all these are going to be turned on, so you just want to go ahead and turn all these off as it mucks everything up. So just turn everything off to make everything work properly. Now the first time you open this up it's going to crash, so as soon as you've downloaded iAccess 4.8, turn off your device and turn it back on. Don't respring or anything, it doesn't work. You have to manually turn it off and turn it back on, then open it back up and turn everything off and it should work. Okay. Now iAccess for China comes with a few built-in custom keyboards. It comes with these ones, I'll show you quickly. It comes with hybrid keyboards, so KB means keyboard, so it comes with stuff like this. So if I just respring, shouldn't take too long. Okay, it comes with keyboards that look, oh whoops, I still have BlackBerry Storm installed. Hold on, wait there, my fault, sorry guys, I forgot to turn off BlackBerry Storm, although I've got 3 keyboards selected. Alright, iAccess Storm turned off. Okay, so now we're going to respring it. Sorry about that. Anyway, so when you've respringed your device and turned everything off, you're going to see a keyboard looking like this, and this is the default keyboards. They're pretty nice. Okay, so once you've downloaded iAccess and you've set the themes, the next step, if you want more themes, more keyboard themes such as iMacBook, BlackBerry Storm, etc., then you want to add this long source. Now don't worry if it doesn't work first time because the server's not great, but it will work eventually. So I'll also again I'll have this in an annotation, so cydia.myrepospace.com/mk321024, you want to have that added. So once you've added it, go down, and anything that says KB afterwards means keyboard. I haven't installed all of them, so I just wanted the iAccess Storm and the iMacBook Air 4.0 Storm. So you can see you got like iGreen, pink, purple, red, Tron. You know, there's a ton of keyboard themes here. So that's basically how you do it. It's 100% safe, and in some cases it makes texting a lot easier. So if you like the look of these, then please vote up as it helps me out a lot, and I'll see you